Hey guys, I got this product to review. Let's open it up. So first thing inside here is the electric pen itself. And as you can see, it's great for holding on cave here so that you can just go ahead and hold it really easily. The light illuminates here, and so it allows for easy pickup of your diamonds because you'll be able to see it so much better. It does come with a charging port, and it does come with the charging cable. So to charge, you just plug this in. You can plug this in. It is a USB. Just plug it into your computer so you can even bring it on the go with you. It also comes with different replacement heads as well. So it comes with the single replacement head as well as it comes with the triple heads so that you could pick up 3 different diamonds at the exact same time. And all you do to switch them out is you just pull the old one out and then you grab the new one and put it in. Really easy. See, it's got 3 different bright settings. So the first one is the lowest, the second is the medium, and then the highest. So once you turn it on, you can hear how quiet it is, which is great for if you're working at night or just trying to enjoy some relaxation time. It's not going to disturb anyone, so it's even great for moms when baby's sleeping next to them. Now, this is a great feature because you do not need any wax, so you are not changing out wax pieces continuously. The bead is going to suction onto here so that you're able to place it directly onto your art. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. As you guys can see, it sticks so well, I barely even touched it. So you're just going to go ahead and put it on there, and you don't have to turn off the pen for it to go ahead and stay on your board. This makes so that you can work more efficiently and you can create your designs as fast as you'd like. I recommend this for anybody looking at ease to do your diamond painting. Like I said, this can be used in very dim lighting. It can be used on the go. So this is also a perfect gift for birthdays, for Christmas, or for anybody who just wants a really great electric diamond art pen. Go check it out, guys.